Intelligent sorting transformation of after-sales center. Original operation mode. Manualsing of traditional manual PDA into the database operation is headless, the code scanning is easy to make mistakes, and the handling and stacking link is increased. Repeat scan code. Manual nursing code sorting. Manual code scanning accuracy is low, sorting efficiency is low. Conlida Intelligent Sorting Operation Mode. Drop port. Dynamic Vision Acquisition. Replace manual scanning, accurate and efficient. The accuracy is as high as 99.9%. Intelligent Swing Wheel Sorting. Flexible sorting to ensure the safety of parcels. Sorting efficiency up to 8,000 pieces per hour. System display. Real-time upload of package information. Dynamy real-time display. Abnormal reminder. Label print control button. When the area is full, the button can control the delivery of goods and print the barcode label of the package. Efficient sorting is completed and sent to local factories. Overall save 5 labor stations and improve sorting efficiency 80%.